And I've been trying to ride all day, bro.
Me too, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, yo, go ahead, warm your bike up, bro.
Got you, yo.
Hey, I should jab you. What are you doing?
Hey, yo, so which way is it?
I think it's that way.
Around there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna let it go.
Hey, hold on. Hey. Hold on. You saw what he did? Hold on. You saw what he just did to my bike. Can't you see him? Hey. Hey, yo. What the f? I'm gonna beat this motherfucker. The f?
Bro, where you been?
What?
Where you been at?
You mean where I been at, bro? You done killed my battery and keep playing with my starter.
I killed your battery.
Yes, man. Now my transmission fluid leaking, my brake pads.
Wait.
Bro, I need a lot done now because you want to keep pressing the red button.
What is your brake pad to transmit?
Shut up. Shut up. No, my shit don't work now.
It's not a
Shut up.
Maybe the
Shut
bike.
up.
The bike maybe broke.
Shut up.
Where you going?
I'm going home.
You need to help push it?
I don't need help, nothing.